Hazrat Amir bin Saad reports from his father Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas. Once I fell ill, so the Prophet ﷺ came to inquire after my health. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu that He Jalla Jalaluhu may not return me on my heels. He ﷺ said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will grant you such an excellence that many people will benefit themselves from you. I submitted, I intend to make a will, whereas I have only one daughter. So should I will away half of the property? He ﷺ said, half is too much. I submitted, 1/3. He ﷺ said, will away 1/3, though 1/3 is also too much or too big. So the people started making a will of 1/3 of the property. So it became legal for them. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2744.